Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today is Tag Tuesday and I thought that I would use my Vintage Rose pocket tags or loaded tags, which you can find in my Etsy store. So I actually printed these out a little while ago and I was planning to do something with them and I didn't get around to it, so I thought that this would be the perfect opportunity to use this printable rather than just have it sitting on my shelf. So today I'm going to see if I can do something a little bit creative with these. I'm not exactly sure what that is going to be yet, but we will just start crafting and see what happens. So there's 4 tags in this set and each tag comes with its own matching set of ephemera and fussy cuts. So I'm going to set those little piles aside for now and we'll just look at the tags first. So the way that these work is that there's the base tag and then there's 2 pockets that are supposed to overlap like so. But I'm going to see if I can do something a little bit different and not have them all exactly the same. So I'm going to cut these out and get started, and I hope you enjoy following along with me. Thank you for watching this KILA Create Printables tutorial. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me today for Tag Tuesday as I use the Vintage Rose pocket tags or loaded tags that are available in my Etsy store. You might like to check out the description down below for a link to my Etsy store so that you can find this printable and lots of other printables for your crafting needs. You might like to also come and join my Facebook group where you can join in crafting fun and download a stack of freebies. And please like and subscribe to my channel for more Tag Tuesday and other craft tutorials.